Hello everyone. My name is Mohamad Naufal Nursyabana. Back again with me from IPSC 2019, and today we're going to do a simple experiment, which is making a simple compass from a magnet. So let's just jump straight into it. The first thing you need is a bowl filled with water. There you go. As you can see, there's water in there, and of course a magnet. Oh, there you go, some magnet in action there, and a piece of paper that I already cut in the circle like this, a needle, if you would please. The one with the bobby tool will do, but I prefer this one, this type of needle. And the last is a compass. Okay, so the first step we're going to need to do is magnetize the needle with the magnet force. I'm going to use the small one to make it more easier. So we want to make this one, not the pointy one, but the other side to become the north in, just like in compass, the north. So we're going to try to rub it. Okay, I recommend that you rubbing it just like 10 is enough, but if you want it to be more magnetized, the magnet will be strong, and yeah, you can do it more than 10 if you would please. Okay, that's enough. And now we put this paper in the middle of the bowl. Oh, there you go. And the last step is put the magnetite needle in the middle of the paper. There you go. As you can see, it's pointing the same way as the compass to the north. And if we try to disturb it by just doing this through water, by disturbing it, it doesn't really affect it, because it's showing the north, or it has been aligned with the magnets from the earth. So this for a simple experiment to prove that it is the work of the magnet. So you can just put here a magnet, see, it will follow the magnet. It will follow the magnet. It's as the same as the compass. It will actually follow the magnet. You can alter the direction or make the magnet broken. So yeah. So what's happened here, that as I already mentioned it before, the magnetic field of the earth affecting the compass, which that's why compass itself is made out of magnet. So yeah, so if you want to look for the direction, you can use the compass, and that compass will, the red one, the pointy one here, the red side, the pointy red colored side of the compass, it is actually align with the south pole of the earth, because the red one is the north in that compass. So the north will align with the south part of the magnetic field of the earth. Yeah, something like that. So if you want to you have your magnet work properly, get to the outside, put it in a flat surface, and try not to stick it close with the magnet, because it will alter the direction of the compass. All right, I guess that's all I can explain. That's all I can show to you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. My name is Mohamad Nursyabana. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.